Hello, all of you. My voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so everyone has done the homework. Any doubt in last topic?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Uh, Abdul, Juan, Safan,
No, sir.
Yusra. Yusra, Abshad. Yusra, you are not there in the previous class.
Yes, sir. I couldn't attend the class
Okay,
yesterday.
so did you check the recorded lectures?
Yes, sir. I was doing it, but I wasn't really well today, so I couldn't complete it.
Okay,
I'll try doing it today or by tomorrow.
okay, Yusra, not an issue. So, okay, if you don't have any doubts, then we will start the next topic. So in linear inequations, our next topic is questions based on application of linear inequations in one variable. Okay, it is about the applications. So in this type, we have a word problems. So for example, we have this problem that we need to find all pairs of consecutive or positive integers, both of which are smaller than 13, such that their sum is more than 20. Okay, so in this questions, in this question, we need to find all pairs of consecutive, all pairs of consecutive odd in positive integers, both of which are smaller than 13, such that their sum is more than 20. Okay, but I guess one of the students has not joined yet. So just give me a minute. We will start in 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we will start with these questions. We are doing the application of linear equation. So we have a word problems. So first problem is we need to find a pair of consecutive or positive integers. So Rishan, can you tell me what are odd positive integers? Rishan, you can reply me on the chat box if you have any network issue. And Abdullah, can you hear me? My voice is audible. Yesterday there was some network issue with you. Okay, Rishan, net is slow. Okay, but you can hear me, Rishan. No voice issue. Okay, okay, Abdullah. Good. I guess Yusra has some issue. Yusra, my voice is audible. Abdullah, my voice is audible. So, Yusra, I'm sorry, I can't hear you. User, you can reply me on the chat box. Okay. First of all, I just want to check that everyone can hear me. So, all the students, will you please reply me on the chat box that my voice is
Yes,
audible or not?
yes, sir. You're audible.
Okay, Safan, thank you. Abdullah, Abdul, Ikhra, Iram, Joan, Rishan, Safan, and Yusra. Please reply me on the chat box. Okay, Ikhra, thank you. Other students, please reply on the co-host ID. Okay, Learnivio co-host. Okay, Joan, thank you. Rishan, okay, Safan, thank you. Rishan, please reply me on the chat box. Iram, please reply me if you can hear me. Abdul, Abdullah, okay, Iram, thank you. Abdullah, Abdullah, please reply me on the chat box. Okay, so we will start this class. So Iram, can you tell me what are odd positive integers? You can give an example. Iram,
Positive 1 and 3.
1, 3, 5. Very good. Okay, so we need to find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers. So what are odd positive integer? For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. So we need to find the pairs of consecutive odd positive integers. Okay, so it's mean we need to find the two odd numbers, and these are consecutive. Consecutive means if we select the first one as 1, then the second will be 3. These to be consecutive, it's mean the number just after 1. So for example, uh, Yusra, if we are selecting 7, then what is the next consecutive number for 7?
9.
Very good, 9. So let the first, yeah, let the pairs of consecutive, let the pairs of consecutive odd positive integers, odd positive integers, positive integers be x and Ikhra, can you tell me what is the next positive integer if you are taking 1 as x? What can be the next?
3.
Okay. Ikhra, very good. If you are taking 1, then the next will be 3. Okay, but if we have taken x, then what can be the other one?
2x. X plus
Uh,
1. Sorry. X plus
x plus 1. Okay, so suppose if we have selected the first one, 5. So the next one will be 5 plus 1 or something else.
5 plus
5 plus
2. 5 plus 2.
2. Very good. Okay, so if the first number be x, then what number?
Next will be x plus 2.
X plus 2. Very good. Okay, so this is clear to everyone. We are assuming the numbers. So if the first number will be 1, sorry, will be x, then the second number will be x plus 2. Because in odd numbers, there is a gap of 2. That's why if you're selecting the first number as x, the second will be x plus 2. Okay. And if anyone has a doubt, then please message me. I will tell you this again. Okay, so first is x, second is x plus 2. Now they're saying that both of the numbers are smaller than 13. Both the numbers are smaller than 13. So it's mean x is less than 13. Um, please don't note this. We will skip one of the step. They are saying that x, both the numbers should be smaller than 13. So it's been x is less than 13 and x plus 2 is also less than 13. So if we will shift this to this side, then this will be x is less than 11. So Ikhra, can you tell me we will select which one? X is less than 11 or x is less than 13?
X is
Ikhra,
less than 11.
less than 11. Very good. We will not take this one. Okay, because x is less than 13. So for example, x can be x is equal to 12, but x is equal to 12 do not satisfy this one. That's why we will take x is less than 11. Okay, so we will not write this. We will just write this part. Okay, so as per the question, we will write as per the question. Just give me a minute. As per the question, x plus 2 should be less than 13. We will not select x is less than 13. We get x is less than 11. Okay, so next, Safan, can you tell me that from this 20, what the equation we will get? They're saying that their sum is more than 20. So Safan, can you tell me what is the equation?
Yes, sir. One second. What did you ask, sir?
Yeah, I'm saying that here it is given that their sum is more than 20. Okay, so what is the equation?
Greater than 20.
Yeah, but which one? Which is greater than 20?
X plus X.
X plus 2
Okay,
will
X.
be greater than 20. Okay. So please reply me on the chat box. Abdul Rahman, Ikra, Iram, Juan, Rishan, and Yusra. This is clear. The second inequation. Okay, Iram, Ikra, other students. Abdul Rahman. Okay, Yusra. Abdul Rahman, Juan. Please reply me on the chat box. This is clear or not?
It is clear, sir.
Okay, good. So, Rishan, is this clear that x plus 2 should be greater than 20? Rishan, this is clear? Okay. And Abdullah, please reply me. Okay, now we will solve this. So 2x plus 2, first part is not clear. Okay, this one. Okay, so Rishan, they're saying both of which number are smaller than 13. Both the numbers are smaller than 13. So it's mean x is less than 13 and x plus 2 is less than 13. They're saying that both the numbers are smaller than 13. So this is less than 13 and this one. But if we will solve this, then we will get x is less than 11. So this one and this one. So which we will select? We will select this one because x is less than 11 is satisfying this part also. But x is less than 13 is not satisfying this. So we will select x is less than 11. Rishan, this clear? Okay. And if any student have any doubt, then you can tell me. Okay. So from this, we will get 2x plus 2 greater than 20. We will get 2x is greater than 20 minus 2. So we will get 2x is greater than 18. So we will get, divide this with 2. Okay. This is 1. Divide 1. Divide 1 by 2. So we will get 2x by 2 is greater than 18 by 2. Very good, Yusra. So this is x is greater than 9. So we get this one, x is less than 11 and x is greater than 9. Okay. So we need to find the all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers which satisfy this one. Okay, x is less than 11 and greater than 9. So anyone can tell me the answer of this? Please check this, and can anyone tell me what is the final answer? Okay, okay, Safan. If we will check this, then x is greater than 19 and less than 11. So there is some mistake in the question. Okay, just give me a minute. Uh, this should not be correct. Just give me a minute. Please do the changes. This should be 18. Okay, because there's no value which will satisfy this. X is less than 11 and greater than 9. There is no value which will satisfy this. So just do this correction. Now, x should be x plus 2 should be less than 18, and this will give us x is less than 16. Okay, so this is a correct question. There was some mistake in the question. X is less than 16 and greater than 9. Okay, so what can the value of x, what can be the value of x? X is equal to greater than 9 means x can be 11, x can be 13, and x can be 15. So greater than 9 and less than 16. So this is x. Now the pairs of all consecutive odd integers, odd positive integers. Okay, positive integers Yusra, just give me a minute. I will explain you. 11. Okay, if the first number is 11, then the next number will be x plus 2. So this is 13. If first is 13, next is 15, and this is 15, then next is 17. Okay. Please check this. If you have any doubt, then let me know. Why there are two x in the our first x is from here. Both the numbers should be less than 18, and second is from here that this sum is more than 20. Okay, so first we have taken this x is less than 16, and second is this should be greater than 20. Now the value of x should be greater than 9 and less than 16. That's why we will get x is equal to 11, 13, and 15. And pairs of consecutive odd positive integers are 11, 13, 13, 15, and 15, 17. So is there any student who have any doubt in this, or do we need to again start this from the beginning?
Yes, sir. Can you please explain this again?
Explain this again. Okay, so just give me a minute. Yes, Abdul. Okay, let the pairs of let the pairs of odd positive integers odd positive integers are x and x plus 2. x plus 2. Okay. So now, as per the question, both the numbers are smaller than 18. Okay, both the numbers are smaller than 18. So this means we have a two number, x and x plus 2. Now they're saying that x is less than 18. Second number is also less than 18. So from this one, what we will get, x is less than 18 minus 2. And from this, we will get x is less than 16. Okay. So Safan, which in equation we will select as the final one, this one or this one?
X is less than 16.
X is less than 16, because if you will check the common solution for these two, this will be correct. So we will take x is less than 16. Abdul, this part is clear, that why we are taking x is less than 16 and not x is less than 18? Because if we will take this, for example, x is less than 18 means x is equal to 17, but 17 does not satisfy this one. That's why we will take x is less than 16. Okay. So as per the question, as per the question, x plus 2 is less than 20. Sorry, x plus 2 is less than 18. And this will give us x is less than 18 minus 2, which will give us x is less than 16. Okay. Such that their sum is more than 20. So it's mean x plus 2 should be greater than 20. Okay. Safan, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this means 2x plus 2 is greater than 20. So this means 2x is greater than 20 minus 2. So this means 2x is greater than 18. And this will give us x is equal to, so this will give us x is greater than 18 by 2, which will give us x is greater than 9. Okay, so the value of x should be greater than 9 and less than 16. Okay, x is greater than 9 and less than 16. So Safan, can you tell me odd positive integers which are greater than 9 and less than 16? Can you tell me?
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
10, we can't take 10. 10 is not a odd number.
Yes, yes, yes. So,
Okay, what are odd?
11,
Yes.
13, 15.
11, 13, and 15.
Yeah.
Abdul, this is clear? Okay. So 11, 13, and 15. Now what we need to find? We need to find all pairs of consecutive odd positive numbers, positive integers. So what we have assumed that the positive integers are x and x plus 2. So positive integers are pairs. Okay, pairs of, no, Rishan, we can't take the 17 as we have this limit. X should be less than 16. So that's why we can't take 17. Okay, Rishan? Rishan, this clear? Okay. So pairs of consecutive positive integers are x positive, what was the positive integers, are x and x plus 2. Okay, so if we will take 11 as x, so the next number will be plus 2. So Rishan, can you tell me, if the first we are taking 11, what is the next number? Rishan, if we are taking x, then what is, very good, 13. Okay, one pair is this. If we are taking this number 13, What is the next number? Rishan? Very good, 15. If we are taking this 15, what is the next positive integer? If you are taking 15, what is the next one? Rishan? 17. Okay, so we can take the value of x 11, 13, and 15, but when we will do a plus 2, then this becomes 17. Okay, so is there any student who have a doubt in this question?
So since we have the limit is the 16, so can we use 17?
Yeah, no. This is the value of x. X should be less than 16. So that's why we have taken 11, 13, and 15. But what is the other number? The other number is x plus 2. So if we are putting the 15, we are getting a 17. So this is okay. Okay, x plus 2 can be greater than 16, but x should always be less than 16. Okay, do in this way. Add 2 on both sides. So what you will get? X plus 2 should be less than 18.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Iram? Okay, sorry, Ikhra. So x plus 2 limit is less than 18. That's why we can select the 17. Is there any other student who have a doubt in this?
No, sir.
No? Okay, then please note down this and confirm me once done. Then we will start the next question. Done? Okay, everyone. Shall we start next?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then please try this question. Okay, please try this and share your answer with me. Okay, Rishan, so you're saying that if we will take x plus 1. Rishan, can you give an example of even positive integer? Rishan, any example? 2. Okay, so if one of the positive integer is 2, then what is the next one? Next one will be 4. I know. So this should not be 2 plus 1 because this will give you 3. So you will not add plus 1, you will add plus 2. Okay, so please assume let let the pairs of let the pairs of consecutive even positive integers even positive integers as x and x plus 2. Okay, you will always assume x and x plus 2. Anyone have any doubt that why this is x plus 2?
No, sir.
Okay, okay, good. Then please complete this and share your answer.
So we are getting x is less than the 23 by 2.
X is less than 23/2. Very good. This is correct.
Then
Please continue. And
continue. Okay.
yeah, that's correct. Uh, so I will write the equation. They're saying that find all pairs of consecutive even positive integer, both of which are larger than 8. Okay, so our first number is x. So x should be larger than 8 and x plus 2 should be greater than 8. So from this we will get x is greater than 6. And from this we have x is greater than 8. So anyone can tell me we will take which inequation, first or second?
Second.
Second. Any other student? We will take the first one or second one?
First one.
We will
First
take
one.
first one.
Why?
Okay.
Why,
So
sir?
Safan, x is greater than 6 means x is equal to 7. This is correct.
Okay.
But will this satisfy this inequation?
No.
No. Okay, so we need to select an equation which satisfy the second also. So this example was not correct. 7 was odd number. We will take a even one. This is 8. So if you will take Safan, x is equal to wait. So we need to choose an inequation which satisfy the other also. So for example, in this one, x is equal to 6. There is a number which do not satisfy the 8th. For example, if we will take x is equal to 7, this will not satisfy. But if we are taking x is greater than 8, then this will satisfy this inequation. Okay, Safan?
Okay, sir.
Safan, any doubt or this clear?
No, sir.
You have doubt in this, huh?
Maybe.
Yep.
So why
So
will we take 7? Because we need a even number.
yeah, that's correct. But uh, if we have two inequations, then we will select an equation which satisfy both these. So x is greater than 6. If we'll check on a number line, okay, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we will draw one more number line. Suppose we have this one. Okay. We are just taking an ordinary case. This is 0. This is 0. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So first thing is x is greater than 6. So we are just taking a general example to understand this. So we will mark a hollow and this one. And from this, we will mark a hollow and we will highlight this one. Or we need to extend this to here. This is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, like this. Now, Safan, if we will compare these two, then what will be the common solution for this one?
7.
X is greater than 8. We will find a common solution. This start from 8, this start from 6. So what is the common one? This part is not included over here. Safan,
Okay.
this
Okay.
is not clear?
Clear.
Okay, so whenever you have a two in equation in such a case, then select the one which satisfy the second also. So x is greater than 6 do not satisfy this one. Okay. So we will select the x is greater than 8. Rishan, do you have any doubt in this? Rishan, any doubt in this? Okay, good. So please share your answer. So first should be x is greater than 8. And second thing, you can check like this. X plus 2 is greater than 8. X is greater than 6. So if you will take x is equal to 8, then x is equal to 8 will satisfy this. But x is equal to 8 do not satisfy this one. So you can't take this. Okay. So okay, then please form the second equations such that their sum is less than 25. So it's mean x plus 2. This should be less than 25. So this means 2x plus 2 is less than 25. So this will give us 2x is greater than 25 minus 2. So this will give us 2x is less than 23. Let this be 2. Let this be 1. Then divide 2 by 2. So we will get 2x by 2 is less than 23 by 2. And this will give us x is less than 23 by 2 is what? 11.5. So you need to select a number, a even number which is greater than 8 and less than 11.5. So anyone can tell me what is the value of x?
10.
10.
10. Okay. And all the students, can you please tell me? I got only 2 answers. Abdullah, Abdul, Ikhra, Juwan, Yusra. Can you please tell me what is the answer? We need a number with Yusra, very good. We need a number. Please, all the students, Ikhra. Okay, John, very good.
So your voice is
All the
breaking.
okay, my voice is breaking. Just give me a minute. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So okay, so x should be equal to 10. Now the pairs are pairs of consecutive pairs of consecutive or sorry consecutive even positive integer. Even positive integers in 10, 10 plus 2. So this will give you 10 comma 12. So this is the answer. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Shall we start next? Okay. So shall we start next one? Then please start the next one, 16th question. Okay. And please share your answer. If you have any doubt, then please let me know. Please let me know if any of the student have any doubt. Okay, first of all, I will explain you this question. The question is the cost and revenue function of a product are given by this one. This is the cost Cx. This is equal to 2x plus 400. And we have a revenue. Revenue is, so whenever we are manufacturing anything, then we have some, we put some cost for that. Okay, so this is the revenue after selling the product, and this is the cost which you face while creating that. So the question is, the cost and revenue is given where X is the number of items. X is the number of items which you are producing. How many items the manufacturer must sell to realize some profit? So Ikhra, can you tell me, if we need some profit, then which will be greater? Cost will be greater than revenue, or revenue will be greater than the cost?
Revenue will be greater than the cost.
Revenue will be greater than cost. Very good. To realize some profit, to realize some profit, revenue should be greater than cost. Okay, so we get this inequality. Please solve it and share your answer with me. Uh, Please share your answer, or if any student have any doubt, then you can tell me. Safan, very good. This is the correct answer. Okay, very good. Okay. Any other student? Abdullah, Abdul, Ikhra, Joan, Rishan, and Yusra, please share your answer. Or if you have, okay, okay. Take your time then. Rishan, no, this is not correct. Please check your calculations. Ikhra, very good. This is correct. Good. Rishan, please check the calculation. And Abdullah, Abdul, uh, Juan and Yusra, will you please share, will put 2x inside the bracket. Please check Juan over here. We need to put the Rx. What was the Rx? Rx was 6x plus 20. So we will write 6x plus 20, and this should be greater than Cx. What is Cx? 2x plus 400. Okay, 6x plus 20. This should be 2x plus 400. Now we will solve this. Shift this Rishan, very good, but this should be greater than 95. Okay, shift this 2x to the right left side. 6x minus 2x, this should be greater than 400 minus 20. So this will give you 4x greater than, this is 380. Let this be 1. Divide 1 by 4. So we will get 4x. Let me check this. 4x by 4 greater than 380 by 4. 54. So this will give you x 97.5 Yusra. So how many x represent the number of items? So how many items the manufacturer must sell? So manufacturer must sell items greater than 95. So we will write manufacturer must sell items.
Sir, it is 4x by 4 greater than 380 by 4 or 4x.
Let me complete this. Man must sell item greater than 95 to realize some profit. To realize some profit. Okay.
So such questions come for how many marks?
This can be come for 4 mark. Okay. Are these difficult?
No, sir. Very.
Okay. Good. Okay. Safan, it was you.
What's up?
Someone was asking about a question.
No, sir, it's me.
Okay, John. Okay, John, what was the
There is
question?
4x by 4 greater than 380 by
Okay, 380 by 4. We will divide both sides with 4. So 4x by 4 greater than 380 by 4. Okay. Okay, so any student have any doubt in this question? Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay, so we will start the next one. Please try this. Okay, we'll do one more question of these types. So just give me a minute. Please write your question. Question is find all pairs of consecutive even positive integers both of which are larger than 5. Okay, larger than 5, such that their sum is less than 23. Okay, please do this question and all the students share your answer. Please complete this. Okay, please try this question and share your answer with me. Rishan, you are not audible. So if you're saying something, then you can message me on the chat box. And I need the answer from all the students. There's a fourth question which we are doing of the same type. So please, all the students, share your answer. Fun. Okay, very good. And other students, will you please share your answer? Very good. But Iqra, there are 3 pairs. Okay, there will one more answer.
Okay, sir.
Abdul Rahman. Okay, Abdul, is this clear? Or you have any doubt in this question? Safan, did you get the third pair?
No, sir, not yet.
Sir, should we count 10 as well? Since it's
Yes,
10
we can. Okay, please check this. Find all pairs of consecutive integer. Let the pairs be. Let the pairs of. Let the pairs of consecutive. Let the pairs of consecutive. Even positive integer. Even positive integers be x and x plus 2. Okay, so we have taken this one. Now they're saying both of which are larger than 5. It's mean x is greater than 5 and we don't know, maybe this is greater than 5. If we will solve this, x is greater than 3, x is greater than 5. So for Safan, which one we will take?
X is greater than 5.
X is greater than 5. Okay, because this will satisfy this equation, but greater than 3 will not satisfy the greater than 5. So we will write as per the question, x is greater than 5. Yusra, I guess there is some mistake. So as per the question, x should be greater than 5. Okay, Yusra, this is the mistake which you are doing. X should be greater than 5. So you can't take 4. And second equation we will get from here such that this sum is less than 23. It's mean x plus 2 should be less than 23. Then from here you will get 2x plus 2 less than 23. This will gives you 2x is less than 23 minus 2. This will give you 2x is less than 21. This will give you x is less than 21 by 2, which will give you x is less than 11 point, sorry, 10.5. X is less than this. Okay. So no, Yusra. Yes, is correct. Now x is greater than 5 and less than 10.5. So Yusra, can you tell me the values of x? Yusra, values of x greater than 5 and less than 10.5. Yusra, so what values can we take?
6,
6, very good. Next one,
8, and 10.
very good. 8 and 10, very good. But what are the pairs? Pairs are x and x plus 2. Okay, so what pairs we will get when we will use 6, we will get 8.
6,
When we will use 8, we will get 10.
10.
And when we will get use 10, we will get 12. So these are the pairs. Okay, okay, Joan, your
But
answer
sir,
was correct. Yep.
But sir, x is less than 10.5.
Very good. X is less than 10.5. Okay, but
We
this
can
is not x. What is this? Yeah. What is this? This is x plus 2.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so x is less than 10.5, but x plus 2 can be greater than 10.5.
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay. And Safan, this is now clear? Safan, this point is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And Ikhra, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, very good. So Abdullah, I'm not getting the reply from you. Okay. So please share your answer if you have completed this. Rishan, please share. Rishan, this is clear now. Rishan, this is clear. Okay, not an issue. Please note down this and shall we start next then? Has completed this. Shall we start next?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the next one. Okay, so next we will do the graph of linear inequation. Okay, please don't write this. I will give you the time to note this one. Graph of linear inequation. Graph of linear inequations. Please do note this. Okay. Now, how can we draw the graph? So first of all, graph of linear inequation. So for example, we have this inequation x plus y. This should be less than 2. Okay. Suppose we have this linear inequation x plus y. This is less than 2. We need to draw the graph of this linear equation. So first of all, what you need to do, first of all, write the equation. Then draw this box like this. X and y. Okay. Put x is equal to 0 and find the value of y. So Safan, can you tell me if we are putting x 0, then what the y we will get?
Y will be 2.
2. And when we are taking y 0, then what is x?
X will be 2.
x would be 2. Okay, so what you need to do, if any inequation is given, first of all you need to write the equation. After that, put x0, you will get the y, then put y0, you will get the x. So after that, draw this graph. Okay, so this is the origin. Now 0, comma 2, what are the points? First, the x coordinate, then we will take log and remember this, or I need to explain this one. Is it required to explain this xy plane? This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Okay, this is the negative direction of x-axis, and this is the negative direction of y-axis. So what are the points? Points are 0, 2. So 0, 2 means x0, y2. And next is 2, 0. We will get here. This is 0, 2, and this is 2, 0. Okay, next what we need to do, we will draw a straight line. We will join these 2 points and we will get a straight line. So we'll join like this. Okay, Safan, I will do. Safan, now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Safan, please let me know if
Yes, sir.
there will be any voice issue.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, so students, what we will do, we will draw a straight line by joining these 2 points. So this is XY plane, and this line has divided this XY plane into 2 parts. Suppose this is first part and this is the second part. Okay, this is the border. To the right side, we have the region 1, and to the left side, we have a region 2. So this line divide this XY plane into 2 parts. This is the first part and this is the second part. And one more thing, we are taking x plus y less than equal to 2. Okay, we are taking x plus y less than equal to 2. I will tell you later on that why we are using less than equal to. So we get this graph. Now let this be 1. We have this in equation x plus y. This is less than equal to 2. Let this be 1. Now from the region 1 or region 2, you need to take any point. From the region 1 or region 2, you can take any point. So in most of the cases, we will take origin, because by choosing origin, our calculation reduce. So what we will do, we will put this origin in this inequation. So please don't write this. I will give you the time. So put 0, 0 in first. Put this origin in this inequation. So now, Safan, can you tell me this is true or false? 0 is less than equal to 2. This is true or false?
False.
Why?
Because 0 is not equal to 2.
But it is less than.
Yeah, it's less than, but it's not equal to.
Okay, so what this symbol means, this means less than or equal to.
Okay.
Either the number is equal to or less than 2,
Okay.
which is true. Okay, so 0 is less than 2. So we can say 0 is less
Sir,
than.
your voice is
Okay,
breaking.
Krishan, you just give me a minute. I'll just give me a minute. Is this okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please let me know if again you will face an issue. So I will explain this again. So 0 is less than equal to 2, which is true, which is true. Hence region second, region 2 is the solution. Okay, and we will shade the second region. Okay, we will select another color, for example this, and we will shade this part. Okay, so I will explain you this again. Whenever you have any linear inequation, okay, if you have any inequation, so first of all you need to write the equation. This is the first step. First of all, write the equation, make this box, choose x0, find the value of y, put y0, you will get the value of x. These are the 2 points. Plot these points on the xy plane, join the points, you will get the line. Your line always divide the region into 2 parts, first and second. Okay, your line will divide the region into 2 parts, first or second. What you need to do, you need to select any point from any region. In most of the cases, we will select the origin because origin always reduce our calculation. We will put the origin in the inequation. If the origin satisfy the inequation, then the region which is having the origin is the solution. If the origin will not satisfy the inequation, then this region will not be the solution, other region will be the solution. Okay, so Ikhra, will you please repeat how can we draw the graph of linear inequations?
Whenever whenever an inequation is given, we
Yep,
must equate it to the other side,
yep,
and we should make a table
yep,
and put the values of, first we should put the value of x as 0 and
yes,
find the value of y, and then
yes,
put the value of y as 0, then find the x.
yes,
And then we must take any point,
yes.
any any
We will plot these 2 points. We will draw the point, join the points. We'll draw the line. Okay,
then we must choose any points in the from the plane.
yes,
We can take 0, we can take
yes,
the origin,
yes,
and if the if it satisfies the inequation, then
yes.
we can will shade the
Yeah,
region.
yes, that's correct. We will shade the region which is having the origin. Okay,
So how do we
yes.
decide whether the second region has the origin and not the first?
Sorry, will you please repeat?
We wrote here, hence region 2 is the solution. Why not
Yes.
region 1?
Origin is here. So origin is satisfying this inequation. That's why the region which is having the origin is the solution. So second region have the origin. That's why this is the solution. Okay, Iqra?
Okay, sir.
So, okay. And just one more point. In this case, we have taken x less than equal to. Okay, so in the question, there is less than equal to. That's why this line we have draw this by a dark one. In case the question is only this one, x plus y is less than 2, then what you need to do, you will draw a line by the dotted line. If there is no equal to, you will draw this line by the dotted line, because when it is equal to, then all the points on the line are also the solution. The points on the line are the solution, as well as the points in the region are the solution. But when there is only inequality, when there is only less than, there's no equal to, then the points on the line are not the solution. That's why we will draw the line by the dotted one. Okay, so Juan, can you tell me when we will draw this line by the dotted one?
Or sir,
Uh, when we will draw the line by the dotted line, when we will draw the dotted line and when we will draw the dark line. Can you tell me the difference? John, can you tell me when we will draw the dotted line and when we will draw the dark line? John, I'm sorry, you are not audible. Okay, anyone else? Safan, can you tell me? Safan, can you tell me when we will draw a dark line and when we will draw the dotted one?
Sorry, sir. I was on.
Safan, can you tell me?
Sir, I was not listening.
You didn't understand this?
Sir, you can tell once again.
Okay, sure. So when we will draw a dark line, whenever you have an inequality and the inequality is a equal to sign. Okay, whenever in the inequality you have an equal to sign, then you will draw a dark line. And when there's no equality, for example, this, you will draw a dotted line. This clear, Safan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you repeat now?
Whenever we have equal sign in inequality, we'll
Yep.
draw dark line. If you don't
Yes.
have the equal sign, we'll draw the dotted line.
Okay, so this is clear to everyone. How can we draw the graph? Okay, so now just write the complete details that how can we do. Okay, just give me a minute here. So these are all the rules to draw the graph. Okay, so you can take a screenshot if you wish, or if you wish, you can write all the steps. These are the steps which we have discussed in the previous slide. Take care. Okay, please note down this and confirm me, then we will start some questions. Okay, so all the students, please confirm me. Once you note all this, then we will start a question. Everyone has completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so fine, good. Ikhra, Joan, Rishan, Abdullah, Abdul. Completed. Shall we start the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Joan.
Yes.
Okay. Rishan. Okay, so I guess you don't have any doubt in all these points. These are the same points which we have discussed in the previous slide. Okay. So first of all, please try this question. Question number first. Please draw the graph and confirm me, then we will check your answer. Okay, please draw the graph of the first one only.
So this should be done on a graph sheet.
Uh, Ikhra, that depends. In some schools, they provide you the graph sheet. In some, they do not provide you. Okay. So we will draw a rough sketch.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Uh, Please confirm me if you have not drawn the graph.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, good. Joan, Safan, Rishan, Abdullah, and Abdul.
Done, sir.
Jan, okay. Joan, this done. Okay, okay, Rishan, good. So you have drawn the graph. You have two regions, 1 and 2. Then you will put the origin over here. 0 is less than equal to 6, which is true. So this portion will be your answer. We'll shade the complete. So everyone is getting the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Joan, Safan, and Rishan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Joan.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. So we will continue the next topic in the next class. Okay. So just give me a minute. I will give you the homework. And now only a single topic is remaining where we have a 2-3 lines and we need to draw the graph of that. That will continue in the next class. Okay, just give me a minute. I will give you the homework. So the topics which we have completed, on the basis of that, you can do the complete exercise 6.1. Okay. Then exercise 6.2. Then 6.3 you can't do right now. In the miscellaneous, you need to do question number 1 to 14. Okay, and just give me a minute. I will mark the questions for assignments also. Just give me a minute. Or in the assignments for assignment 1. Okay, assignment 1 you need to do. I guess I have already told you which questions need to do, but in assignment 1 now you can do the question number 1 to 4 and 8th, 9th, 10th, 11, 12, 13. Okay, then assignment 2, and the students who have done the topic of critical points, okay, they can do even the question number 5th, 6th, 7th, which we have already marked in the last class. And from the assignment 2, you need to do complete assignment question number 1 to 7. From the assignment 3,
Which exercise, sir?
these questions are from the assignment. Okay, Safan, did Nitkas sir has shared any assignment with you? Safan?
Sir, I did not check. I'll check and I'll let you know.
Sure. Okay. From assignment 3, you can do question number first. Only this one. Okay. So this is our homework. Please complete this in this week, and next Saturday we will try to complete this chapter. Okay.
So in the exercise 6.1,
Yep.
the question number 25,
Yes.
they're saying the longest side, that should be X.
Yes.
And for the shortest side, what should we take?
Let me check. Question number 25. The longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side. Okay. So if you will take the shortest side as X, then what is the longest side?
3x.
3x. Okay, and the third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. So longest side is 3x. So third side will be 3x minus 2.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay. So please complete the homework, and in the next class, first we will discuss your doubts, then we will complete the remaining topic. Okay. And if any student has any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay. No doubt. Okay, not issue. So we will continue in the next class. Okay, thank you. Yusra, did you complete this graphical question?
Yes, sir, I did this.
I guess you got disconnected.
Yes, sir.
So any doubt in this graphical? Do I need
No,
to
sir.
explain it? Okay then. Thank you. Okay, Abdul, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank
you're
you, sir.
welcome. Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Okay, Abdul. Bye. Thank you. Okay, Abdullah.